Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to clear Bank of America app cache or reinstall safely. First of all, delete the app. Long press on the app and then click on remove app and then delete the app. Now if you want to reinstall it, go to the app store, search for Bank of America and then reinstall it from there, and then once you open it, do all the login credentials that you have to do. Then restart your iPhone and then log in again. You can enable Face ID for quicker access. Long press and then require Face ID, click on it and then click on require Face ID. Then give it your Face ID and it will require Face ID anytime before you log in. Safety tip: avoid third-party cleaner apps. Quick fix: update iOS if there is any updates that you have to do. Go to your settings app, click on your name and then see if there are any updates available that you can do, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.